channel. It's your girl Jhnel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my vision board. If you guys don't know what a vision board is, it is basically pictures you can put on your poster to represent your goals and aspiration in life, and you just manifest everything. You wake up in the morning, you look at your vision board, and you just manifest everything you want. And that's basically it. It doesn't have to be a poster. It could be something digitally, like you could put it on your tablet screen, you could put it on your laptop screen, you could put it anywhere that makes you feel comfy. I am gonna show you mine. So this is mine. I really put it up like right there so I can wake up in the morning. I get up, you know, I say some affirmations on it every morning. I love being me. I get better every day. I am unique. I am special. And I did it the creative way. Like, I didn't want to do it digitally, but probably I'm gonna do it too, because I want to see my goals everywhere. Like, I want to see it on my phone, I want to see it everywhere, so it could always be a reminder where I'm going to be in life. And yeah, so I'm gonna break down my vision board, and I'm gonna also tell you something. So watch this video and watch at the end, because I have a surprise for y'all. So period. So this took me approximately like 10 to 15 minutes to do, and I just basically went to Dollar Tree. I got some scissors because, you know, I just moved, so I don't know where all of my stuff are. So I went to Dollar Tree, get some scissors. I got some letters. I wanted to put some like glitter or something on it to make it more prettier than this, but this is very good. But I didn't see any at Dollar Tree, so I basically like print out some pictures on my printer. You can find these pictures on Pinterest. A lot of aesthetic pictures are on there where you can use girly pictures, boss pictures, everything you want. So go on Pinterest and find pictures that suits your vision board. So, you know, it's quarantine and your girl gained a little weight. I mean, not a little, but a lot of weight. So I'm currently on my journey. Stay tuned for that video that I will be posting of my weight loss, because I'm speaking it into existence. You know, I gotta represent my brand that is coming up. If you want to represent your image, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with a big girl, but because most big girls, some of them are healthy, you know, not because of your size doesn't mean that you're healthy. But for me personally, I want to look fit. Like, I want to be fit, I want to be healthy. So the first one is to exercise more. So I exercise, but it's not like to the point where I feel like I'm losing. Like, every time I exercise I gain more weight. I don't know why. If you can drop some tips below, I would gladly take them. But I want to start exercising more. I'm actually going to go to the gym soon, so I'm just waiting on my stuff from Amazon. And yeah, the next one is to travel. Recently I traveled to Jamaica, but Jamaica isn't the only place I want to travel. I wanted to go to Dubai, everywhere. Africa is one of the places that I want to go, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be able to do it this year. I'm not gonna be able to do it this year, but this is something for the long run, one of my long-term goals. And this one over here is basically, I'm in college and a girl gotta get her associate's degree, so I want it to be over with. I want it to be done with. So This is represents my associate's degree because I want to graduate. This is for saving money. I want that money. I want that money, and I'm gonna get that money, period. Money isn't all, but money is all for me, you know. Money can buy my happiness. So this right here, how to become a boss. I'm a boss already. I'm an independent female, you know how I come. But now, for real, I want to be a boss. I want to have my own stuff. I don't want to depend on anyone, period. I want to have my own. I don't like telling my business, but you know, this is YouTube, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I want to have my own warehouse and stuff like that. I want to have like 6-7 salons and everything, and I'm going to have it. This is how you speak it into being. This is how you manifest. And let me tell you something, you cannot manifest with a negative mind. Like, you have to think all positivity if you want your stuff to come true, your goals to come true. So when you're manifesting, you can't manifest with a negative mind. Like, what is you doing? How you gonna manifest when you're thinking something so bad? Like, the bad is gonna overcome the good. So this is basically saving, and I put some positive affirmations right here so I can get up in the morning and say them. So it's 40 affirmation, and each day I say one to myself. You know, you girl gotta get some money, because as I said before, I love that money, like, for real. This right here is to achieve my nursing degree also, because I'm jack of all trades, Jill of all trade. Like, I want to do it all, and I can do it all. Most people are telling me, like, you can't do it all, you can't do this, you can't do that. Well, I am doing it, period. Like, a boss knows how to juggle plenty different things at the same time. So if you can manage it, you do it. I'm a strong person. I never back down, and that's just me. So that's what I want to do, and I will do it. I gotta stop saying and this right here is my goals for starting my own business. Just watch out, I'm gonna be popping. Like, I'm confident in myself, and you should too. Some people mistake bossy for confidence, like cocky for confidence. Well, I don't know what to say, but if you ain't confident in 2021 and all the years to come, I don't know what you're doing. So just be confident, just be humble. I'm very humble. I'm a very humble person. I keep my goals to myself just because I love y'all. That's why I'm sharing it and telling you my plans. So this is a car. This is not the exact car I want, but I will have a car this year, and I don't got my driver's license, so I will get that too. This is the key to an apartment, and I really want my own space. I'm a type of person, I love my own space. I love to be by myself sometimes. I like to just relax, and just, if I want to use the bathroom, I can use the bathroom. I don't want anyone knocking on the door telling me to hurry up. I don't want those stuff. I want to be in my own space, to have my own peace of mind, feel like I have something in life. Because when you got an apartment, you just feel, you know, like you accomplished something. And even though it's expensive, like, you just have to know how to budget your money to have an apartment. But it may be overwhelming at first, but when you get the gist of it, it'll be good. You'll be good. So this is some of my orders. This is for YouTube. You know, I'm on here and I'm trying to keep up with everything. Like, I'm trying to be popping on here. Like, I love YouTube, so I want to be successful in YouTube. This is to make 6 figures. I want to make 6 figures in my business or whatever I do, like, or even more than 6 figures. I wouldn't mind being a billionaire, but you know, I want to be a billionaire and be happy as well. So one of my aspirations in life is to be happy. This right here, you can see there's $1 in here. This is when I wake up and I want to save, so I just put a little dollar in here, or $2, $3, $5, who knows, I just put anything. This is for packages, and yeah, that's basically it about my vision board. It's right here, said travel the world. Who doesn't want to travel the world? And this is how my goals look, and I hope you can make your goals too. And I'm not gonna forget this one, and you should not forget it too. If you make your vision board, which you should, you gotta step up 2021, girl. And so this right here is pray. But listen, whatever you do, you always involve God in it. Like, whatever you do, you always involve God in it. God is your #1 priority. Like, when you're up, you depend on God. When you're down, you depend on God. I don't know what some other religions are, but you depend on them. And whatever your religion is, you gotta put them first in everything you do, and you will see yourself bloom. Every morning and every night I pray, and even before this video, I said a prayer in my head for everything that I want. I get up in the morning, I pray on this vision board, and that's basically it. So yeah, everything you do, you involve God in it. And I just want to say that this year I will be launching my hair brand. I'm just like testing out the vendors, but I'm gonna do a separate video. Anyways, y'all, as I was saying, because my storage, I run out of storage. I don't know what's wrong with these iPhone nowadays, but it'd be running out of storage so quick. So I'm launching my business. I gotta talk fast before it said storage is full again. So I'm launching my business. Stay tuned for that. It will include hair, eyelash extensions, because you know I'm all about those things. So that's my passion and everything. So stay tuned for that. Hit me up, and like anything you feel for, like hit me up on some tips. What's the best things, you know, just to make my customers my #1 priority. And that's it for this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I hope you make 2021 a better year for yourself. Take my advice and manifest anything that you want. Make your vision board and go for it. Bye, y'all.